Welcome everyone. Every Friday we try to learn a little bit from my holy ancestor, the Maharal Prague. This week's Parshas, Shlach. In the book of Numbers, chapter 13, verse 29, we read, Amalek Yoshev Beretz Negev, V'chiti, V'yevuzi V'mari, Yoshev Bahar, V'kanani Yoshev Al Hayam, V'al Yad Hayardain. Amalek dwelleth in the land of the south, and the Hittite, and the Jebusite and the Amorite dwell in the mountains, and the Canaanite dwelleth by the sea, along by the side of the Jordan. This was the report of the spies, the end of the report. Rashi says, Amalek Yoshev. Why did the spies in their negative report mention the Amalekites? It says, Lefish and Nichvu b'Amalek Kvar. It's because they'd already been burnt by the Amalekites. His Kiruhu Meraglim Kadei Liyaram. So the spies mentioned them, the Amalekites, in order to frighten the people. Says my holy ancestor, the Maharal Prague, that because the Israelites had been burnt by the Amalekites, if this was not the case, why are they even mentioning the Amalekites? They're not one of the 7 nations that are mentioned to be wiped out of the land. There's a separate commandment concerning them. So why should Amalek be mentioned? And not only that, also, why were the Amalekites mentioned before the other nations of the Canaanite nations? So common sense doesn't point to this. Because there should be more fear for the Canaanites since they're coming to inherit their land, as opposed to the Amalekites, who are not from that land, they're from a different land, and so they shouldn't be coming unless they start a war. And therefore, because they'd already been burnt by them, since they'd been mentioned elsewhere in Scripture in the book of Exodus, that's why they are mentioned first. Thank you for watching. God bless. Please like, share, and subscribe, comment, and the merit of learning this Torah. We should see peace in our times. God bless.